Hey guys, I hope you're doing great. My name is Utsav and I am a professional guitar player as well as a recording artist. I also record other bands and musicians. Let's check out the 57 first. Here's the warranty card and what looks like an instruction manual. We have this really premium looking case containing the mic itself. So they were kind enough to include a mount. You honestly just need a mic stand and you're good to go. Let's check out the mic itself. Time to check out the 58 now. Frame of foam inside that cardboard box holding the contents, that is the instruction manual, the warranty card, as well as an XLR cable, a mount bracket. I must say it has an exactly similar unboxing experience. Alright guys, so we're in the studio now as you can see, and we are going to record some voice samples using the 57 and the 58. Now BM57 being an instrument mic, we have recorded some acoustic guitars, and BM58 is essentially a vocal oriented mic, so we've recorded some vocal lines. If you haven't noticed, I'm already using a 58 to record this voiceover, and I must tell you it sounds incredibly clear. Now this is me sounding without the mic, just the cam audio. Hear it? Now it sounds different, right? Now this is back to the mic audio. Great. Let's move on to the demos now.
साल बदला हाल बदला तेरे आने से जिंदगी का ख्याल बदला तेरे आने से जरा जरा सा डूबा डूबा रहता हूँ जरा जरा सा डूबा डूबा तुझ में ठहर जा तू किसी बहाने से ठहर जा तू किसी बहाने से.
I sincerely hope you liked the demos. Everything you heard a minute ago, it was recorded using the BM57 or the BM58 without any effects applied to it, not even EQ or compression. And I think that sounded really rich. The BM57 is an instrument microphone. That means you can use it to record acoustic guitars, cajon, mic up your drum kit, or even mic up the cabinet of your amplifier to use an electric guitar. The BM58 is a vocal oriented microphone, hence best suited for recording vocals or voiceovers. Since you all now have the basic info about these mics and you've also heard the demos that I've recorded, I think it's time for a very true review. These mics are great. They look great, they sound great, they have great accessories with them, and they just get the job done. It's as simple as that. You can't beat it, especially at this price point. I highly recommend you all to check out these on Amazon. I'll include the Amazon link down below on the YouTube description box. You won't regret buying these. Trust me guys, they are just amazing.